نزن ترسیم دیوار.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Dr. Sarvi and today I'm excited to walk you through how I stitched up a big tear in this beautiful foal's shoulder. It's going to be fascinating, so stick around. In the first part of the video, you'll see the horse's owner and handler trying to catch the foal with a rope. I'm sure you'll find it really interesting. In the second part, I'll take you through the complete surgery for this extensive and really deep tear in the shoulder. I'll be using a special technique for stitching up the skin. So please watch the video until the end, and if you are interested to watch content like this, press the subscribe button. Catching the foal next to his mom is really a challenge. Now this is a tough one. نه
نعمت وای نمیسه؟
یه استاد میشه باز میزنه خودش رو میبریم. من این نوع اینجا قشو کردم قشنگ.
حالا قشو بیار. قشو نداری؟
They decided to carry the foal to make him calm.
آمپولش بزنیم. اوه
Nemat, the horse's handler, is an experienced horse trainer and knows how to do his job.
نزن ترسیم دیوار. نعمت وای میستم. باش کن. نزن ترسیم دیوار. کلیگه بهت بدم. دست بزرگ دماغش. کلیگه بدم. کلیگه بهش میبندی؟ آفرین بیا.
دیگه
زمان بسته باعث کار نداریم که.
The foal is trying to run away, but Nemat knows that if he lets him to go, there is not a second chance to grab him.
ولش کنی دیگه نمیشه بگیریشو.
If you are excited to see more content like this, please press the subscribe button. And now a little help seems to be handy.
باریکلا. لواشه کجا داری نعمت؟
لباسه نداره بود.
For starters, I used a good sedative because we know this one won't let us stitch the wound easily. First, I need to stitch the ruptured muscles together. Now I start suturing the skin. As you can see, tension on this part of the skin is high and it's possible for stitches to be torn apart. To make my stitches stronger, I used little plastic cushions. This is my little secret.
بالا 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 قشنگ بیار بالا
از خود ریز کنم.
As you can see, I started another suture from the other side of the wound to help skin edges come near. And this is the last one.
تو دفترت بنویس 2 ساعت بخیه کردن هست. دکتر 5 تا کره فروشی دارم، یکی پیدا کنیم من تو دامشریه بود.
بیارش نزدیک نه بخته رو بگیر
Wound is completely closed and my job is done.
نمیخواد بتادین ریختم.
کجا میروی؟
خب بیا